Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Selection sort is a classic algorithm, and we need to count the exact operations for a 6-element array. Let's solve this fast right now. The outer loop runs from index 0 up to 4, which is exactly 5 iterations total. Since the swap happens once per outer loop, the temp assignment must execute 5 times. Now we count the inner loop comparisons. For each outer pass, the inner loop checks all remaining elements. This creates a sum of 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Adding those numbers gives exactly 15 comparisons. Combining our counts, 15 and 5 match our target perfectly. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush on loop bounds and always trust the given code steps.